Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 2 over 5 times n plus 3 minus 7 over 10 times n equals 3 over 5 minus 3 times n. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. First, combine like terms within each side. This simplifies each expression without changing its value. Combine like terms within each side. The variable coefficients on the left combine to give negative 3 over 10 times n. Add 3 times n to both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives 27 over 10 times n plus 3 equals 3 over 5. Subtract 3 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 27 over 10 times n equals negative 12 over 5. The variable coefficient is 27 over 10. Multiply both sides by its reciprocal, 10 over 27, so the coefficient becomes 1. Quick check. Substitute negative 8 over 9 for n. Both sides equal 49 over 15, so the equation balances. So, n equals negative 8 over 9.